Anyone who has ever planned a vacation knows the necessity of budgeting for food, lodging, and transportation. But anyone who's ever taken a vacation knows that there are always additional expenses that pop up. A good travel budget will designate funds to cover extra, unexpected costs. In the world of statistics, these known and unknown items are called variables. In these lessons on variables, you'll learn how you can plan business expenses and calculate potential profits by understanding the types of variables you're dealing with and their probabilities. You'll discover how you can predict the number of customers or calls you may have on a certain day so you can plan your staffing accordingly by analyzing relevant variables. And you'll realize that you can even make your commute to and from work easier by collecting and combining data on the variables of travel at different times in the day.